Hi, Stephen at Double Glazing Parts and Spares, just with another product review. This one is the Miele Smart Window Handle. We sell loads of these are great. So let me open it up and show you what you get. So you get your handle base, very nice and modern. It's got that nice new click feel to it. It comes with the wee 9mm spindle already installed. You get your end cap. A little instruction manual. Your lock and key. Your screws, which can be cut to size depending on the spindle size you require. I think these, they just snip these or cut them with a multi-tool. And a selection of spindles. So what you get is a 9mm spindle, a 15mm spindle, a 30mm spindle, a 43mm spindle, and a 55mm spindle. So that should cover the majority of all window handles over the past 30-40 years easily. And these simply just fit nice and snug. Again, you get that nice fresh click noise. And then you would just put your screws into your window after you've cut them to size. So you would just cut them round about there. Close your handle over and then slide on this lovely little cover cap. Yep, I rate this 9 out of 10. Cracking little handle for the trade van or just to repair any type of handle. Check out our other video showing how to remove your window handle and replace your window handle, or how to unlock your handle if you've lost a key and you can't get it open. So I'll put a link in the description to this product as well. But yep, 9 out of 10, brilliant.